Well, thank you for joining us here on Wilderness Weather. I'm meteorologist Thomas Gathright here on the morning of July 1st, 2026. Pardon my voice, I've been sick the past few days, but we got some very interesting weather to talk about, so I wanted to get this video out to y'all despite how my voice sounds. It's a very hot and sunny day here in Central Virginia, and we got a large area of high pressure over the mid-Atlantic, and since air flows clockwise around areas of high pressure, we're having a bunch of warm air pumped up into our area out of the south, and the jet stream, which separates the warm and cold air, is that's all the way up in Quebec right now. So that's allowing for warm air to really hot air to be pumped up all over the whole eastern seaboard and into the eastern part of the Midwest there as well. And temperatures today look to top out um, right around 100. Here's what we got going on over the next few days. We have the orange here is the record temperature, and the red is what is forecasted for the next few days. So we're gonna not quite hit that record of 101 today. But tomorrow we could very well clear that. The record's 100, and we look to hit 103. Exact same scenario on Friday there, and then Saturday we could very well tie that record. Although once we get into Saturday, we're going to have more storms to worry about, so that could hold temperatures back a little bit. Some other interesting statistics here on how hot it is. We have not hit 100 degrees in Charlottesville since 2024, so it's been 2 years, and we've not had a multi-day stretch of over 100 degrees since 2020, so it's been 6 years. So this is definitely one of the warmer stretches, one of the hotter stretches we've had here in Central Virginia for a while. Now, I do want to talk about the heat index as well. We have a heat advisory today, which is the heat advisory is when the heat index is between 105 and 110, and 109 is knocking on the door of 110, but we not quite. So we've got a heat advisory today. This that began at 11 and will last us until 8 this evening. Now, tomorrow we have an excessive heat watch that begins at 11 a.m. and actually lasts us until 8 p.m. on Friday. It's a over 24-hour span of a excessive heat watch, and that could very well be upgraded to a warning if the heat index looks to clear 110. And at the moment, we're forecasted our heat index to hit 112 here in Charlottesville, and much of the eastern part of the state is looking to clear that 110 boundary for the heat index tomorrow, and that looks to carry us into Friday as well, and maybe even some more locations clearing that 110 boundary for the heat index. Now, as we head in, we may have some storms, some isolated storms as we head into Friday. Take a look back here at the jet stream, and it does the jet stream's still up here as we head into Thursday and into Friday, but as we head into Saturday, going to have it start to dip a little farther south, and I certainly expect by Sunday starting to dip southward there, and could cause a cold front push through the area. That's going to give us a marginal risk for severe weather. This is on Friday, actually. This is north of I-64, along the north of I-64. We got a marginal risk, 1 out of 5, and keeping an eye more on Saturday and Sunday for those storms to push through and bust up this heat. But and then by the time we get to Saturday, there we're looking at temperature at the heat index cooling back down below 110, but still within heat advisory criteria. But yeah, we'll be keeping you posted. Especially, I'll give you probably another update tomorrow if we do have a excessive heat warning issued instead of the watch there. But yeah, we'll be keeping you posted on this. Stay cool. Please stay hydrated. That's a huge thing right now with as hot as it is out there. But yep. Until then, thanks and have a great and safe evening.